The exits from last video you'll find in any trading book. Profit lock, you won't. It's ours. It's a more sophisticated trailing stop. Instead of following price at a fixed distance, the distance tightens on its own as the trade gains. Let's see how it arms, how it protects without closing the trade like a take-profit would, and what keeps it in check. As always, experimental software, not financial advice. Capital loss is a real risk. Backtest and live aren't the same thing. Until the best favorable point clears a minimum threshold, profit lock doesn't exist. No extra protection beyond the standard exits. The threshold, in percent or ATR, already accounts for fees. Once armed, it always protects at least true break-even. Example, 1.5% trigger. Below that, profit lock stays off. Before the trigger, profit lock doesn't exist. Once armed, it never protects less than true break-even. Right when it fires, profit lock doesn't lock in all the profit, just a slice, measured above net break-even. At 20%, the stop sits at 20% of the distance between break-even and the best point reached. Deliberately light at first. It still leaves room for price to move. Right after arming, it protects only a little on purpose. It's not a take profit in disguise. The trade needs to breathe. The further price goes past the trigger, the more protection grows. Example, 3.5% trigger, 20% initial protection, 0.1 coefficient. At plus 4.5% gain, protection climbs to 30%. The better the trade does, the more aggressive profit lock gets, but always gradually. The coefficient decides how fast we go from let it breathe to lock it all in. Without a break, the coefficient could squeeze the stop too tight, tripping it on a normal pullback. The ATR cushion sets a minimum margin from the peak, one that widens with the coin's volatility. If the coefficient wants tighter, the cushion wins. The coefficient decides how much to tighten, the cushion decides when it's too much. By default, profit lock updates within the bar too. With tight settings, a sudden spike can knock you out even if price snaps right back. With provide lock / break even on closed bar only turned on, profit lock only moves on closed bars. The spike doesn't count anymore. Recommended on short time frames, 1 minute to 5 minutes. The flag decides if profit lock reacts to every tick or only on closed bars. The second option protects you from spikes that snap right back.